areas, the high pressure will progress across the southeast through Thursday. Additionally, weak low pressure will track across the Gulf Coast Thursday.
Something tells me Raleigh's about to do it.
Strengthen while tracking off the coast of the Carolinas Friday night through Saturday night. Here is the latest national.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Thursday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, and Scotland in South Carolina, for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return you to the normal program schedule.
Snow may be heavy at times in the afternoon. Heavy snow accumulation possible. Colder with highs in the mid-20s. Chance of snow is 50%. Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a 50% chance of snow.
Now we wait for Raleigh.
Snow may be heavy at times in the evening. Colder with lows. In Greensboro, it was partly sunny with a temperature.
Oh my god, it lives! It lives!
This is a test of the Weather Radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Bertie, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Ryan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. Here are the 11 a.m. observations for the Northeast Piedmont. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 32 degrees, the dew point 11, and the relative humidity 41%. The wind was north at 6 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 26. The pressure was 30.26 inches and steady. At Burlington, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 30 degrees, the dew point 10, and the relative humidity 43%. The wind was west at 6 miles an hour, producing a wind chill of 24. The pressure was 30.23 inches and falling. Elsewhere across the state this hour, at Charlotte.
Oh my god, it's back from the dead. This 100 is back from the dead.
9.
What are the odds? What are the odds this comes back from the dead? Oh my god. Oh, by the way, I finally put the strobe. I put the strobe there, and I plugged it into the MD319 because this never activates. Well, that was definitely something. That was definitely something.